Hey friends, welcome back to Stylist and Tell. I am doing a style series on eyeshadow. So if you've caught the first one, if you're catching one in between, doesn't matter. I should have them all linked below in this YouTube channel. And I'm doing a video series. So I've done one on how to prep your eye. So now if you want to see a simple one eyeshadow look called a wash, stay tuned. Okay friends, so the wash look is very simple. You're gonna pick a single color eyeshadow just to even out your tone and give yourself an easy to go look. So I'm liking chai, basic or some nice colors. Basic's a bit darker. Pup, stay golden. Stay golden I use a lot. It really almost gives me a skin color. Or if you like more of a London has more of a purpley gray. So we have some really nice ones. I can help you with selection. I'm going to today just try one eye with Pup. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm just going to tap it in. Our eyeshadows are very pigmented. And so a little goes a long way. And so you just take your eyeshadow brush and just wash this over your eye. That's why it's called a wash. It's just a single look to even out your eye color. Now, unfortunately on the camera, these don't show up 100% well, but they do give you an easy to go look. So I'm going to try chai on the other eye. And there. I like doing the wash look on a lot of days. It just evens out my eye color because my eyes with mature skin are very discolored. So I like giving a one color look and it just looks a lot nicer. So there's two, they're very similar. Probably basic here is a mid-tone matte. It's a great everyday one too. I just kind of put it over the chai. It's a bit darker. So you can do a wash with one that's a bit darker. Again, it's just an easy, simple to go. All you need is a fluffy brush, an eyeshadow. I can help recommend a couple ones. I tend to stick to the matte colors on these. Unless you want something sparkly, you could do something shimmery, sparkly. But my wash is usually this. Now we can layer up on this and I can get into that later. The other thing I wanted to mention in there is where do you put your eyeshadow? So if you take from the corner of your nose to the end of your eye, kind of the end of your eyebrow, that's kind of the range where you want to keep it. So you want to keep it within that range. So with these colors, that's not that noticeable, but when you start going darker, if you kind of keep it in that range, you'll like how it looks better. If you want more tips and tricks on your makeup, please subscribe and follow so you get notified when I post something new, as I'd like to be here and help you on your makeup routine. I really like to help women over 30, over 40, I'm in my 50s, simplify your makeup routine and get something that's working with your lifestyle as it is now. So until we meet next time, live, love, learn, and laugh.